one of the most notorious slashers in history, and I don't want to give that up. I am Chucky, the killer doll, and I dig it!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Erin and welcome to my channel. Chucky is my guy. Like, he is my guy. I have a lot of Chucky stuff. Like, look at my little mans right here. He's so cute. The little knife is broken, which is stupid. And then I have my little mans right here. He's a cutie. And of course I have one of my favorite tattoos, which is Chucky. Like I said, I love Chucky. That is my favorite movie of all time. I used to be scared of him. I got over it. Love the movie. Watch all the time. Anyways, I'm so excited. Like I said, I can't say it enough. I'm gonna say it one more time. I'm excited. So I thought I would close out my little Halloween tutorial month with my favorite, of course, like I said, Chucky. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, let me know down below. Comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications, press the like button. Don't forget to press the like button. I mean, I love you guys watching it, but just like press the like button. It's like right next to, right down below, right here or right here. I don't know where, somewhere down there. And then the subscribe, which is like right below that, and then on the side of it, it's the little bell button. So just like press that. Just press like all the buttons except the dislike. So yeah, do it. And if you guys can, leave me some comments down below what you guys want me to start recording, since my favorite month is going to be over with, which is October. I'm so sad. Comment what you guys want me to start doing, because like I'm up for anything. Like anything, pretty much anything. All right, that is enough of me talking. Let's get into this tutorial. Kind of look like a floating head. Maybe I shouldn't have worn all black. I'm going to be priming my face with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. This is, let's not look at my nails, even though I just pointed them out. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Primer, the pink one. There's a lot of colors, but I chose pink because it said poreless, so let's hope it takes my pores away, because I have too many. And of course, to moisturize my lips, I'm using the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask because it makes my lips juicy. For foundation, I'm mixing two L'Oreal Paris in the number 105 and Wet n Wild in Gold Desert Beige. Mix those two together. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind in the color Neutralizer. That I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Finish Focus. It's the Wet n Wild setting powder in translucent. There's too many words to be saying. Now I know Chucky is a redhead, but this is the baddie version, so I'm gonna just do my regular eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Anastasia brow powder in dark brown, which is what I use every single day. Even though I have millions of brow powders, I use the same. clean up my brows, I'm using the Anastasia Concealer in 2.0. I'm going to be using a grip of concealer because... Alright, most of the cuts are on this side, so I'm just going to be doing the eyeshadow on my left eye. So of course for primer, I'm going in with the P. Louise base in Rumor 5. For my eyes today, I am going to be using the 3503 palette for Morphe. And to start it off, I'm going to be using this color with the Morphe M412 brush. Just laying that down in my crease as a transition color. With the Morphe 502 brush, I'm going to be going in with this color. So I just tapped on the color. And then now I'm just going to be blending that out. You already know the deal. So put them on the bottom, lift up, around town, and here we go. I'm going to be using this color for the lid shade with the Morphe 210 brush. Just putting that all over my lid. Okay, then with a e.l.f. crease brush, I'm going to be going in with this color. And I'm just going to be putting this on the outer corner of my eyeball. With that same color that I used on my crease, I'm going to be putting that on my lower lash line with the Morphe 321 brush. Alright, so that is the eye look. Now to get started on this eye, which is where he's cut up. When you're doing the cuts, you want to make sure that you kind of map them out before you lay down your scar wax, your latex, whatever you're going to be using. You want to make sure that you are mapping it out. And you want to look at a reference picture, because as many times as I've seen Chucky, I still won't be able to draw it and know exactly where every cut is without looking at a reference picture. So make sure you follow those steps. So I'm going to go ahead and map out all these scars before I lay down my scar wax. Okay, so for the most part, I mapped out all of these scars. Okay, so now I'm going to be grabbing cherry soda, of course. This is with a 6 Plus Big Eyeshadow E40 brush. And I'm just going to be putting that onto my eye. And I just went in there all bare with absolutely no primer. Oh wow, thug life. Now it's time for scar wax. So I am taking my homemade scar wax. And if you are going to be wearing this out, I suggest you lay down some spirit gum first before you even put down your scar wax. If you are just using liquid latex, I mean, you can use liquid latex. You can use pretty much anything. I would recommend you putting down some spirit gum before you go out, because if not, it's not gonna last all night. And if you're like sweating and dancing, you know, doing your thing, your scars are gonna be coming right off. So make sure to use that spirit gum. All right, so I'm just gonna be working with a little bit at a time. So I get the little ball, and then I roll it into this little roll. And now because it is an open wound type of scar, I'm going to be cutting down the middle with the sharp end of my spatula. Okay, so now I'm going to be repeating the same process for the rest of these scars. I'm going to be speeding this process up because otherwise the video will be like 4 hours long and we don't want that. Now I'm just taking some of that blood red from my CC Beauty palette and I am filling in the cuts so it can look like blood. I'm putting some of this white on the outside of the cuts so I can give it some dimension. And now with this black from my Shade in My Eye palette, I am going to be adding some more dimension onto my eye. Now I'm just contouring with my Shade in Light palette. And then highlighting with my Makeup Revolution palette. This palette is bomb. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I have my weave in. This is the same wig that I used for my It video. So I also put in some staples, so you can see right there. They are falling off a little bit. It wasn't quite working out, but I kind of left them in there. And I also drew some black lines across the cuts so it can look like stitches. It's a little interesting, but you know, it does the job. I think it kind of looks like stitches, you know. So it is what it is. And yeah, I added some blood also into the cuts and called it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on those notifications because I will be coming up with some new videos. Please leave me some suggestions down below because I'm a little stumped right now. I have a couple of ideas, but you know, I am grateful for any suggestions that you guys have. So go ahead and leave those down below. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.